Now, when you lock yourself or password or pattern on the Nokia C210, you need to do hard reset. In this video, I will show you step by step how you perform hard reset for the Nokia C200. This is Variety Stick. Just a quick reminder, give me thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now the hard reset, similar way of doing factory reset the phone, so you guys will expect to lose everything on the phone. Plus, if you have Gmail already synced to your device, you are required to use the same Gmail account to avoid the Google activation screen. Now the first step, you need just to shut the phone completely off. The nice thing about Nokia, even if you have a password or pattern, you should be able to turn your phone off with no any issue, just by clicking one time on the volume up and the power key, just like this. You should get the power key, go ahead and turn the phone completely off and wait about 5 seconds. And then what we need to do, we need to press also the volume up and the power key together. This time around we need to hold till the phone vibrates in your hands, then immediately remove from the power and just hold on the volume up. So let's go ahead and do it together. So I'm gonna press right now volume up and power key together at the same time. Now the phone vibrates. I remove only from the power. I'm holding on the volume up till I get this menu or no command screen. What you really need to do right now, press power and then volume up, power, volume up, power, volume up, and release. Now it should take us to this menu, which is the recovery menu. Now you can select through the volume up down key, and then you need to choose wipe data factory reset. Now the touch doesn't work at this point. You need to select using the power key, so go ahead, press the power. Now you're gonna get confirmation message, you're gonna lose everything, then go with volume down and choose factory data reset and press on the power key. The phone should format. Now once the format is complete, the phone will take you to reboot system now, and this is what you need to choose. Press power to choose. Normally you have to give up to 5 minutes, maybe less, and the phone will be as new the first time you purchase the phone. That was very much it for that video. Wish you guys find it helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in the next video.
Let's go, yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta